Hello guys, welcome to Skill Up 3.0, brought to you by Dion Academy, a subdivision of Dion International Business Hub. This program is focused on smartphone profitability, and I, Mr. Dion, your first ever smartphone profitability coach, shall be your chief pilot in this transformational flight. At the course of this program, I shall be teaching you how to convert your smartphones from liability to asset. If you are ready, I am ready. Let's go. Hello, great ambassadors. Welcome to Skill Up 3.0, a program focused on smartphone profitability. In today's training, I'll be teaching you how to navigate the Canva software or the Canva app. For those of you using the app, it's just the same thing with the software. I'm making use of the web. The same features on the app is the same features you have here on the web, or I prefer to make use of the web. So I'll be teaching you how to navigate the Canva app, the basic features or the features of Canva. Okay, here is me on Canva. I remain your smartphone profitability coach, Mr. Dion. Here we have basic features, some features of Canva. Up here we have the menu bar, we have the For You, and everything we are viewing here right now is under the For You. Here we have the social media, we have videos, presentations. You can still scroll. When you scroll, you will see more. You have docs. You have docs right here. You have whiteboard, website, and you have more. So let's click on more. These are things you can actually do with Canva. So you can do all of these things with Canva. You have desktop wallpaper, graphs, book covers, and other mind-blowing features you get. So these are a lot of things you can do with your Canva. All right. Now below we have other features. We'll have the home, the project, the plus icon, that's the create icon. We have the template, and then here we have the pro. The pro is where you, if you want to upgrade to Canva Pro, you just click. You want to sound like a professional, and you see the pricing and why you should upgrade to the pro version. However, during my mentorship and coaching session, I shall be upgrading everyone who will be in that season to Canva Pro for free. For free, yes, I mean it, for free. I'll be upgrading you for free. Now we have the template. When you click on template, you see a couple of already made designs that you could just edit them and have something cool. You have a couple of already made designs here that you could just choose from. So after this class, you just take your time to navigate the Canva app or the web, whichever. Navigate. If you look very well, you see some of them has the pro icon. It's telling you for you to use this, you need to upgrade to the pro version. See, so Canva is not just for graphic design. It's not just for graphic design. You can edit videos, create videos. You can as well prepare presentations, documents, whiteboards, animations, and so rest of them. So when you click on the home here, right here, you will see all of these things that you could do with Canva: social media posts, videos, presentation, documents, whiteboard, animation, website, and a lot more. You could search for anything here, anything at all, any template, anything you want to do. Now below the plus icon here, which is the create button, when you click on the plus button, you will be presented with these options to choose the size of the design you want to make or to create. You could just if you know the size, you don't need to choose from this. Just go straight and click on customize size and then impute the size. So let's say we want to design a social media computable post, which oftentimes are square posts. Just go by 108, that's 1080, 108 by 108 pixel. So make sure it's on this px, that is pixel. If you click there, you have several options. You have inches, you have millimeter, and you have centimeter. So make sure it's on pixel. It's on pixel. However, if you want to design anything and maybe you just know the size by inches, you just have to go over there and select inches or inch and then impute the width and the height. Right, so let's go by this 180 by 180. Let's create the design so that we could view other features of Canva. Here we are. Here we are. All right. Up here, we have the home icon. You want to go back to home. You have the undo. You have the redo. You have the menu or option. And you have the download. Below here, we have the plus icon. We have the add. We have duplicate. You want to duplicate the page. We have the delete. This is not all. We have color. We have timing. We have layers. That is not all. And we have more. We have more. All right. So let's click on the plus icon. Here we can choose what we want to do. Let's say we want to choose a template for the design. You could just click and select any template you want. You could also choose, this is the template is here already. You could just start editing the template, you know, remove the ones you want to remove, and you know, do whatever, delete anything you want to do with it. Here I have different, you can do anything. However, personally I don't make use of templates. I design on my own from scratch. If you want to duplicate the page without clicking on the duplicate, as I showed you before, you just click here, you duplicate the page, you can see. All right. However, there's a slight difference. When you click on duplicate, everything on the page will be seen on the other page. However, when you click on the plus icon here, what you have is a new page. All right, so let's click on this other plus icon below. Okay, right. You could also see other features below aside the template, that is the design. Aside this, the design, which is template, you have the elements, you have text, you have brand hub. So let's look at this element. Look at element. From element, you can choose anything you want. You could search for anything right here. Let's say Facebook icon, Facebook icon. You can get it as a graphics, you can get it as a photo, as a video, frames, all of those different options. You can see them all up here. Okay, right. So then let's click on text. You see different styles. Let's add a heading, and let's type anything at all. Great. Then you can change the font. There are several fonts. Why these ones with crown? They are pro font. You can't use them. You can use them anyway, but when you want to download your design, you will definitely have to pay for it. So I would advise you don't select anything with the pro icon on it. So there are a lot of free fonts that you can make use of here. You can design almost anything with the Canva free version. Okay, you could as well change the text style, maybe from heading to subheading or to body. You could as well change the font size. You can increase the font size, you can reduce the font size here. Alright, we have color. You can change the color to any color, red, any color you want. Okay, I have effects. I want to give it different effects. I love these. Let's see, you can as well customize this effect anyway, but let's just leave it at this. Not the best anyway, but just want to show you different things. You can bold it, italize, underline, you know. After this, just go to Canva, test run everything, you know. Alright, you can change the position, backward, forward. You get it. Okay, let's go back to the plus icon. We have other features to explore. Alright, we'll click here. We have brand hub. Brand hub is for those making use of the Canva Pro. You can see it here. Here you can add your brand logo, add certain things about your brand that anybody who is a team member with you don't really need to upload all of those things again. Once they get here and click on brand hub, they will see your logo, they will see everything you have there and design with it. Here next is upload. You can upload images, videos and audios. Just click on upload and you have the option to upload. We have draw. You draw anything, you can change the color. We have projects. Under project you see all of your previous designs here. click on see all, you see all of them. And then apps, these are partner apps with Canva. See so many of them here. All right, so this, okay, I think we have one feature we are skipping, that is this option on menu bar. All right, here we have option to create new design, import files, resize. The resize is only for those making use of the pro version. Save, view setting, save to a folder, make a copy, to download, to share, view history, and so many other things you can do here. So as we continue with this class, in the next video we'll be making use of all of these elements one after the other to create a design. And for fast download, you just click on the download icon up here, click there, and you see the download option. Click on download and you go ahead to download. All right, so in our next class I'll be teaching you how to design with Canva, how to design graphics with Canva, how to make use of the Canva free features to design graphics that will compete with those designing with Canva Pro features. Thank you. See you in next class. Goodbye.